balance to eat. Look at him. He's amazing. And he's not even 9 months old.
He's standing up. He stood up on his own.
Yeah, he stands and he balances. And he's
The
not
point-
fussy about the surface either that he stands on. He stands on a mattress.
The point we're trying to make here is that it's 10:30 at night. And these dudes are supposed to be asleep 3.5 hours ago.
They were.
Well, Ellie has been up since 7.
But don't wipe your face.
And Jenga's trying to walk on stilts here.
Yes, sweet guy. You want some? Oopsie.
Give us a downward dog, Spooky.
Elia guy? Elia? You can sit in one place. I will feed you. You don't have to stand. You don't have to come closer. No, just stay there. And you?
Hi to you guys.
So sweet. Here we are, Jinka. Here we are.
Can you wave?
Are you waving to Dad? Can you wave to Dad? Let's have a bite of this. Let's have
They're watching Federer and Nadal,
that.
2009
Can you take that
Australian Open.
out? That's why they're up actually. I'm going to watch.
Yep.
I weren't impressed with the cricket results. I thought the tennis might be interesting.
Good night, dudes.
I'll give that a wave, Majenga.
He thinks about moving and then decides not. Elia!
Charlie Brown.
Elia! Bumpy guy. Spooky guy. Spooky! Hey. Bumpy. And Spooky. And Woody. Hi, Woody.
Hello.
Good night.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?